Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to install the Grindr app on your phone. The process is really easy. Let's get straight to the point. So first of all, open Play Store if you are on Android device and open App Store if you are on iOS device. I'll open Play Store on my phone. So as you can see on the screen, here's the homepage of Play Store. On the homepage, you'll simply have to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen, and on this search bar, type Grindr and press search. So this is the app we're looking for. Now all you have to do is tap on the install option and wait for the app to get installed. Meanwhile, let's talk about the app. So as you can see on the name, Grindr is an app for gay chats. On this app, you can connect to people, make friends, and who knows, even find your soulmate. The app is really easy and fun to use. As you can see on the screen, the app has been installed. Now all you have to do is tap on the open option and you'll be directed to the app. Then you can create an account and start using it. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.